Hey, what up, YouTube? This is Mighty Mike. Check me out. I am changing pedals. Alright, so have you guys ever wanted to know how to change your pedals on your bike? Alright, so I've been working on this, so I'm gonna show you what I've been doing. Alright, well, number one, here's my new pedal right here. Imrider bicycle pedals. These cost about $20–$25. I'm not sure what I bought though. So this is what the pedal looks like. It looks pretty cool, especially compared to the old one. You see how much wider that is than the old cheap pedal? But look at this right here. You see these little screws sticking up? Now that confuses me a little bit. I'm assuming this is for grip. I hope that's the case, because I'm imagining this like going through my skin, like. Now, let me show you what happened last time I rode my bike. See, my pedal broke. See, I took that out, and now I'm taking this one out, and I've kind of already undone that. But look at what happened. I was riding my bike. The cheap pedal broke, leaving a spoke like that, and then the spoke scarred me right here, right there in my leg. You see that? It still ain't really healed good. So in order to prevent something like that happen again, I'm like, let me get rid of this cheap pedal. Look how cheap this thing is. Well, actually, this whole bike is cheap. I got this bike at Walmart for like $65. I bought it just because it looked cool. But trust me when I tell you that if you get an opportunity to buy a nice bike, buy a nice bike. Because though this look cool, it hurts your butt because the seat hurt. And the gears are weird. You see how that's busting right there? You can't really see it in the light. But this bike has a lot of issues, for real. Don't buy a cheap bike. I'm going to deal with it because I'm not a serious bike rider. But don't buy a cheap bike. Alright, so here's the tools you'll need. You're going to need you a nice little tool case like this. And you're going to probably need this right here. Alright, so let me show you how you take the pedal off. Alright, so this was on like this. Alright. Now some people might say, let me get up. Some people might say that you need to get a screw right here and undo it right here. But that's not true. There's a bolt right there. You see that in between there? You have a nut like this, and it's right here on the end. I can't get to it, but it's right there on the end. So what you got to do is you got to get a tool like this, and you got to stick this through here like that. See that? And then you got to twist that bolt out. Now once you get the bolt out, start turning this until it finally comes off. Alright? And then when it comes off, you get a stupid peg like that. Now at that point, you grab a tool like this and you basically twist it around. Alright? So let's get this off for the first time. Nah, we going the wrong way. It's kind of hard to do this and hold the camera at the same time, but you get the point. We want to go this way on this one. Nope, that's the wrong way. Man, forget it. Come the heck out. Yeah, this way. Now here's the deal. It's going to be kind of greasy because they put oil on it. Yeah, this way. So expect to get your hands greasy. Alright, I'm going to pause this for a minute and I'm going to take this off and then I'm going to come back. Alright, so here's how this looks when you pull it off. You can see it's bent. So you can see this one gonna do me no good. And this was probably an accident waiting to happen just so it can scar up my leg again. All right, now I want to take my new paddle, and basically all you want to do is turn it in here. Now I'm gonna feel real stupid if this don't work. Alright, turns out I'm doing that wrong. You have to hold the pedal. You have to hold the pedal still, and you have to twist it right here. So that's not gonna work. You gotta tighten up the bolt right here. Alright, so check what I'm about to do. I'm gonna hold this still. I'm gonna put my plier right here, and then I'm gonna just tighten it from right here. Now, obviously I can't do this with one hand. So now if you do that with one hand, the whole thing is gonna go. So you hold that still, and just this part moves, okay? So I can twist that with my regular finger right here, but then I'm gonna tighten it up with this. So once again, I'm gonna pause this video, I'm gonna tighten this up, and I'm gonna do both pedals, and we're gonna check out the results. All right, I got this nice and tight now using this. Now let's do a comparison of this Imrider paddle with the old paddle. You see the difference? This new one is much wider, which I like because I have a big foot. The material is more solid. It's hard plastic, but it has a nice little rubber coating on it. It definitely doesn't feel like it's gonna break or bend. Now look at that. You can see the lack of integrity, right? It feels bent. That's all messed up and ugly. That all lopsided and broke. Real cheap pedal. Real cheap bike, to be honest. These pedals might be the most expensive thing on this bike. Alright, so I hope y'all got a little something out this video. I'm about to move on over to the other side, put this on, and then let's see what the bike look like. There's the whole thing. See, the bike look cool, right? But trust me, it's cheap. If it wasn't cheap, I wouldn't have to change pedals, you know what I'm saying? So, alright then. I'm going to put this other one on, and if you got questions about this pedal, well, I'll let you know, because I'm going to take this for a spin, and I'll let you know if this Imrider pedal any good. Alright, peace. Alright, final results. So what kind of bike is this? It's a Kent something Flexor Speed, whatever. Don't like it. But here's the final results. I got both pedals on now, and this is definitely gonna make for a better ride, smoother ride. I wish I could ride it and record, but obviously I can't do that. There's the other pedal, and once again, here's the cheap going to the trash can pedals. And once again, tools you'll need. You'll definitely need this. You'll definitely need one of these. Alright? So, if your pedal breaks, don't fret. Just get the right tools, turn some bolts, and you will be back riding. Mighty Mike, I'm up. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.